probably gonna have to go to a hairdresser to reshape it because it looks a hot mess now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Curly Sue 91, and if this is your first time, then welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this mini twist done. It's my go-to protective hairstyle because you can wear it out, you can put it up, you can wear it, rock it however you want, and you can keep it in for like weeks on end. So that's all up to you. I need to give my hair a break, so I'm going to be rocking these for like a week or a week and a half. But also, we're going to get into this tea. So it's about to be my 1 year anniversary of my second big chop, and I decided to get a trim, and since it did not go very well. So if you came to see how I got this in and to hear the soaps on this cut disaster, then stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so my hair has been freshly washed, and I'm just going to use the Taliah Waajid Curl Cream, my shea butter pomade, a little bit of my hair growth oil in my scalp, and that's what I'm going to use for the twist today. So I'll show you how I actually do my twist when I get somewhere closer to the front. I'm sorry about the lighting today. I am not home. I am spending time with family in Houston, and the lighting in here is bad, yo. Bad. First thing I'm going to do is take the Taliah Waajid curling cream, and I'm just gonna work that through the section. So now that's in the section, I'm going to go ahead and use my shea butter pomade. Y'all, this has different butters in it, mainly shea butter, but look at this, it's like almost done because I use so much of this. This is my holy grail. It's actually DIY'd, so I'll probably post, for anybody who wants the recipe, I will probably post it after I release this video. Yes, it's really good. It gives my hair really good shine, and you can actually use it on your body if you wanted to. But I mainly use it for my hair and sometimes on my lips. Like right now, my lips are dry, so we're gonna just take some of that and put it on my lips. Okay, all right. Nobody got time. Okay, so once we've added that, we're gonna just go ahead. We're not gonna make any sections. We're just going to twist, okay? And when I get to the front, I'm gonna do a detailed twist for you guys. So I'll see you when I get to the front. No, wait. I have a story for you guys. So I decided after a year, well, I hadn't cut my hair. I usually trim my hair on my own, and when I do a video of that, I'm gonna link it here. But I usually do a trim of my own because I don't really like going to places. They always somehow mess up my cut. But I was like, you know what? It's been 7 months since I trimmed my hair. I really need a trim. So I think I'll just go to a professional. So a friend of mine recommended somebody to me. And so I went there. Right? Y'all. She pissed me off so bad. So it's like I went in there and came for a trim but got a cut. So y'all know when I did my big chop. So it's almost a year since my last big chop. So my last big chop was like August 6th. My last big chop was like August 6th of last year. So I decided I was gonna, you know, get it professionally cut. And that'd be great. When I walked in there, she's like, do you want it blown out? I was like, nope, don't blow out my hair. It's probably a good thing I said don't blow it out, because she'd have probably heat damaged my hair too. But like, y'all know, when I cut my hair, it was like in a style. So this all around was shorter and then the top was longer, which is what I wanted. And it was growing out really well that way. So I went to this woman. She messed up my cut, right? So she made the front of the front of my hair was obviously longer than the rest of my hair, which I didn't mind because it looked really good once it was dried. She cut the front of my hair, made it shorter, so now the sides of my hair are longer, the back of my hair is longer than the rest of my hair. It looks a hideous mess. And she took out so much of my hair. She didn't even use the scissors. She used like one of these cutting machines, you know, when you're shaving somebody's head. That's what she used to cut my ends. And she didn't take out just my ends. She took out a lot of my hair. I'm gonna insert a picture so you could see, y'all. And then she charged me $30, which is not what she charges regularly. I guess because she put some nasty ass conditioner in my hair that actually did not go with my hair at all. I had to wash it out when I went home. It was a terrible experience. I just gave the good old lady her money and I was like, thank you, bye, because I knew I was never coming back, and I'm not going to cut my hair professionally for a long time again, because now I have to try to get my hair back, grow my hair, and then probably I'm probably gonna have to go to a hairdresser to reshape it because it looks a hot mess now. I'm so mad at that. If you can do it yourself, sis. If you go to a professional, just make sure that they know what they're doing.
Because some of these hairdressers are really just
scissors happy.
But anyways, I'm gonna leave you be and I'm gonna finish this, and when I get to the front, we gonna talk, sis. We gonna talk. Okay? Okay guys, so I'm back, and the truth is I've been done for what, like probably 6 hours now. I had to rush out of the house because I had a few errands to run with my uncle. So I'm back just to show you how I actually do this. So once your hair is once my hair is being like moisturized, and I put the curly cream and my DIY pomade, I just go ahead and just make sure that there are no knots, and then you start at the roots, you separate in two. Once you separate it in two, you wanna twist, then flip it over, then twist the next one, flip it over, twist the next strand, flip it over, twist this one, then flip it over, and that's literally what I do. And when I reach the end, I just finger coil them, and I'm pretty much done. Let's not forget about that DIY growth oil, because sis, this scalp needs some moisturizing. But that's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support. I love you. Bye.